And this is Janelle Gonzalez. Say hi. Supposed to talk.
Hi. Are you gonna show anyone this video? Because if you are, I'm gonna punch you.
No, I have my own laptop.
I will pull up your implants.
And this is her friend Gabby. Gabby, what the?
This is my love. Oh, you sit down.
I'm doing a documentary, stupid.
A documentary. Whoa.
She saw her hands up.
I know.
Oh, wow, that's like parental control. They need it. We need parentals over here. Woo!
If you scream, watch. Scream. Can't see that in that because I'm paying attention.
All cracked out.
Just like
You look like a retard, man.
I'm sleeping.
Okay, well, Janelle, what are your favorite things to do?
My hobbies?
Yeah.
I was just laying on the ground. Read, play basketball, play football,
Read.
Play in the dark. And biting little kids is fun though.
Yeah, good.
Oh my god! And you go, if you growl at them, you go, Arr! They scream.
What? Okay, hold on. All right, to be continued.